It's the small things that can take your lawn to the next level. And today we're going to talk about one of those things, and that is edging your lawn. So as the name implies, lawn edging is simply creating a crisp border between your lawn and your sidewalks, driveways, and other surfaces. Now, spring is the perfect time to edge your lawn. Fixing overgrowth from last season is really easy, and you'll get professional looking crisp edges. I love lawn edging because it's one of those things that really sets your yard apart from the others, and it's just simple attention to detail that can really refine your landscapes. Now, there are a number of great tools to help you get this job done, and the first and most basic is your manual edger. This tool can help you get a good edge, but it is going to take a bit of work, especially if an edge isn't already established. If you have a small area to edge, this tool could work, but if you have a larger area, you're likely not going to want to go the manual route. Now, for larger jobs, there are string trimmer edger combinations. These tools work great. They're lightweight and they get the job done with minimal effort. But if you don't already have your edge established, you'll struggle a bit to get the job done, and your batteries likely won't survive even a few minutes into the job. However, once your edge is established, these tools are perfect for weekly lawn maintenance. If you're looking for something more powerful, consider a blade edger. This is a simple and inexpensive electric blade edger that really will cut into the grass, weeds, and sod to carve out a nice deep edge in your lawn. For small to medium-sized jobs, these edgers are excellent. If you have a much larger area, consider a battery or gas-powered blade edger. The results are similar to the electric blade edger, but with more power and the convenience of no cords or cables, these stick edgers can really get the job done much faster. They are, however, considerably more expensive. Finally, for nearly effortless edging, you can opt for a high-powered wheeled edger. Despite being larger, these edgers glide through the edging process with minimal effort. They create a perfect edge, but often take longer than a portable stick edger and are generally the most expensive type of edgers. Today, I'm going to be using the Black & Decker electric lawn edger. I already have an edge that just needs to be redefined at the start of the season, and this tool will do the job just fine without the added expense of a larger portable stick edger. Now, the first time you do this, it's going to be the hardest. As I said earlier, if you've never edged your lawn before, you'll want to use a more powerful blade-like tool to successfully get the job done well. But once you create that nice edge, you can likely use a simple edger or even a string trimmer to maintain your new edge throughout the rest of the season. So now let's head back outside and do some edging. So here's what my yard looked like before. Notice the overgrown edges, not a really well-defined edge between the sidewalk and the grass. And here's the final product. Notice nice, crisp, 90-degree edges and a really well-defined border between the sidewalk and the lawn. So the results of this simple task are really eye-catching, and with minimal effort, you could take your yard to the next level.